day one of fishing with handline at my camp. We got my brother here. We're gonna see if we can catch some bluegill with some hot dog. Hold this one.
Now, I will put it on the hook for you. That should be good.
He's got the hot dog on the hook. Let's give it a cast. Got our bait. They are interested in me.
Yeah, a little recast. There we go. We got one.
Flopping.
There we go. That's a pretty big one compared to the last
He's a
one.
pretty big compared to the last one. That's true. Hopefully we can safely unhook him. He's like hooked in 2 places.
Look at that beauty. New PB right there.
All right, we got him.
Why is he like
a
it looks like he's
mouth.
so tall. Like I can see that he's like tall.
All right, let's
like,
throw him back in.
I do a nice shape release.
Didn't mean to give him a back loop, but